Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of Complete, a new Hype investment website. Its name is Hyip Rio and its version is latest version 2.4. So in this video I will give you a complete demo of website, then we will see its admin panel and we will customize the website, and I will show you how we can use this website and how we can customize this website. So if you want to buy the script, both number and WhatsApp number and Telegram link are in description. You can contact us and we will give you a perfect script. And if you need the complete Hype investment website, I will give you the complete website with domain name and hosting. You don't need to do anything. So we provide these websites at very low price from market, so do contact us if you want this website. And if you want any other type of website such as PTC ads watching website, Hype investment website, order grabbing website, trading website, all the trading scripts are available on our YouTube channel and our website. So let's start this video and let's take a demo of our new website. So let's go to our website, but before going towards website, do subscribe to our channel and like the video. So this is the website that we are going to create. Its name is Hyip Rio and its version is version 2.4 and it is the latest version script. So it has 3 different templates, which means that you can use 3 different websites at a time. So let's explore the script and see its functionalities, and it has very advanced functions as compared to other Hype script. So it is a very advanced script of Hype. First of all, you can see the amazing home page of this website. You can change this text and images from admin panel, so it completely depends on you how you will change it. So here you can see the investment plan. You can see it is on my domain name demo1.scriptsmasher.in. so I just created a one plan from admin panel just to show you. So here you can see this is a plan, all these details are given, and you can also set up holidays. Means you have to give profit on holidays or not, you can set them up from admin panel. So from this section you can control and you can calculate the profit of your plans. So this is how it works. You can change these details. Here is the explore investment. So here you can see the latest investment and withdrawals of users. You can view some other options. So this is a completely animated site, and you can also add blogs to this website. These are all the payment gateways, automatic, as well as you can configure manual gateways on the site. So this is a photo section. So you can also visit these pages separately. For example, if I goes to schema, it will redirect me out to a plan page, and you can also change these names from admin. So when I go to ranking, here you can see the rankings of user according to their investments on the website. Here is the how it works section. This is about section of the website, so you can add about yourself or website in this section, and you can change these everything from admin panel. So this is the blog section. So when you go to blog, it will redirect you to a blog section. So you can read all the blogs on the website and you can insert different blogs from admin panel. So on contact page, you can add about yourself and you can add your details right here, and user can contact the admin. So you can also change language. You can insert any language you want, and from admin panel you can insert whatever language you want, and your website will convert it to that language, and you can use this website in any language. So it's very easy to use, and it is the latest and most advanced Hype script among all the scripts that are in market. So you can register on this website, and here you have to fill all this detail, but we already have an account, so we are not registering on it, and we will directly log in. And here you can see that we can turn on off dark mode, so I'm using it in dark mode. So let's go to account and let's enter our details right here, and we are going to enter our details to log into our account. So I'm going to my account login, and here you can see that first of all, here user can see its ranking, which is level 1. Here is your referral link, and it's very amazing, and it is completely in a mobile app view user panel, and you can convert it into mobile view. So here you can see that it is very easy to use, and it is completely in a mobile app view. So here you can see that it has changed to mobile version. So here is how you can use it in mobile phone. So Here you can see your total balance, your total profit of wallet, main wallet profit and profit wallet. Here you can see your dashboard, you can see all your details about deposits, investments, rankings achieved, and here you can see your latest transactions right here in this section. When you click on deposit option, so you can deposit money using any gateway. So there are 25 plus automatic payment gateways of cryptos and all other famous international gateways and bank gateways, and you can create any local gateway, means such as if in Pakistan we can create a Easy Paisa, in India we can create Paytm, or any gateway we can create right here from admin panel. So it's very easy to use gateways on this section, on this website. Even a small 7 to 8 year child can control this website easily. You don't need any coding to control it. So here you can see that I've just created only one gateway, but we can create multiple gateways. And here you have to enter amount to deposit, you have to give a screenshot, and here you have to enter, you can see all the deposit amount and all the details here and charges. When you click on proceed to payment, your request will be sent to admin. So it is asking for a deposit is so we have to deposit in the range. So its range is between 100 to 10,000. So I'm entering amount 1000. Here we have to enter the screenshot to deposit money on the website, and when we click on proceed, it will ask us to that. So here you can see that $1,000 deposit pending, which means that admin have to approve our deposit, so our deposit money will be added to our wallet. So you can see transaction ID success. So here you can deposit again, and when admin will approve the deposit, the money will add it and deposit will be approved. So here is how you can deposit money on this website. Same case with withdraw. You can similarly withdraw money from this account. Here you can see your total notifications, and here you can on off dark mode from here, and same case with language. So when I click on invest, now, so here you can see plan, and we can easily invest in this plan. So I've already invested in plan, so I don't need to invest again. So you just have to click on invest now. Here you can read all the details and you can invest in the plan. So here you can see all plan logs. Here you can see from all transaction option, you can see all your transactions. So these are all my transaction. Here you can add money, which means deposit money logs. And here you can see I've already deposited. So these two deposits are pending, and here one approved deposit. So here you can see all the deposit logs. Wallet exchange, you can send money to any other wallet. From send money, you can send money from one account to another. And here you can see send money logs. From withdraw, similarly like deposits, you can withdraw money from this website. And here you can see withdraw log, ranking badges, and referrals, and you can see all the details right here. So it's very easy to use, easily customizable, and it's the most advanced script in Hyip script. So now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how our admin panel will looks like and how we can control our website from admin panel. So I'm going to my admin panel, and I have to type admin, and here I have to enter my admin details. So I'm entering all my details, and here I have to enter my password, and I'm clicking on admin login. So it will log me into my account. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin account, and you can see the amazing 3D look of admin panel. Here you can see your total users registered, which is 1, and active user, site staff, investment, total investment on site, total withdrawals, deposits, and here you can see the graphs of deposits and investment. So you can see that graphs are totally animated, and you can see pie charts, different everything you can see right here in this section. So you can see total notifications of deposits. So you can see all the notifications from users and other. And here you can see landing page. You can change admin details from here, and you can change language from here. So from customer list, so when I go to all customers, so you can change the user details from here. So this is one user that is registered, that is my own account. Here you can see that. So you can change the user details. Here you can see the user main wallet, you can see all the details about users. You can change its password. You can see their investment, earning, transactions, referral tree, and tickets from here. And here you can easily manage all the users, you can view all the notification, you can send emails to them directly. So from KYC management, you can manage the KYC. From manage role, you can set up different roles on you such as admin, super admin, editor, and you can manage staff members from this section, and you can set up multiple staff members on the website. So from manage schema means you have to these are all the plan related activity. Here you can see that it is plan related. You can set up schedule of plan, either you want it for one day or weekly, it completely depends on you. And you can manage and you can create the plans from here. So here you can see only one plan on website, but we can create a multiple plans from here. You just have to click on add new. You have to fill the picture, you have to give name of plan, badge, you have to fill all these simple details, and you can easily insert the plan from the admin panel onto your website. So this is how you can easily insert a plan. So there's no such thing difficult. So from transactions, you can view all the transactions on your website. And when I go to transactions, so here you can see all the transactions. And from investment, you can see all the investment reports. From user profit, you can see all their profits. So these are automatic payment gateways. So you can see these are all the automatic gateways. So you can see all the famous gateways: Stripe, Mobile, Coinbase, Coin Payments, and you can insert these gateway easily. You just have to edit them, and you can easily edit their details and insert the gateway on your website. So this is very easy to insert a gateway on your website. So here's how you can insert automatic payment gateways. And when we go to deposit, here you can see you can insert automatic payment method for deposit, or you can create your own deposit method. So here you can create local gateway. So here you can see I just created my local gateway, and you can create your any local gateway from here. You just have to fill these simple details and you can create any gateway you want. So here you can approve deposits and you can reject deposits from here. So here when I go to pending deposits, so we have requested for a deposit. So let's see. So these are two pending deposits. So if I want to approve them, here you can see the screenshot of deposit, and you can add a message to them, and you can easily approve or reject them from here. So this is how you can see that our deposit has approved successfully, and this is how you can approve all the deposits. And from withdraw, it has the same case withdraw as the deposits. You can create a withdraw method, manual method, or approve or disapprove the withdrawals from here. And from manage referral, you can manage multi-level referrals of users, target referrals. From user ranking, you can manage the rankings of user. So let's go to site setting. From site setting, basically you can change the site title and some site logos and some other settings of site. You can enable, disable different functionalities, and from here you can enable, disable emails and some other site functions from here. So this is how you can manage the logos. You can change logos, tags, everything you can change it from here. So these are email settings. You can set up emails, plugin settings, SMS setting, notification setting. You can all manage all the site related settings from here. So let's go to, so these are email setting, plugin setting that you can also see here. You can change them. And from language setting, basically from here you can insert any language that you want on your website. So you can insert any language of the world from here. So you just have to click on add new language, and by filling these simple codes and other things, so you just have to fill these details and you can insert any language you want. So these are page settings, and let's go to our page settings and see what are these settings. So basically here you can see the basic settings. So you can update the background of home page. You can hide different details, the registration field settings. So you can do it from here. So these are the page setting. From theme manage, so let's explore these settings. So it has three different themes. So here you can see we are using this theme which is activated, and you can use any of the other themes if you want. So now let's active this theme and see how this themes will looks like. So I have activated it and it has activated. So now let's go to our website and see how this theme will looks like. So here you can see that our theme has successfully updated. Here you can see the amazing look of new theme, and you can change similarly all the details from admin panel. So here you can see the plan, profit calculator, and all the, you can see the page look has changed completely. And let's go to theme management and update the other one. So I'm updating this other theme. So our theme has updated successfully. So now let's go to our site again, and let's see the changes on our home page. And here you can see that our site has changed again, and you can see the amazing look of other theme right here in the section. So this is how you can change the themes on your website. So now let's explore some other settings. So here you can see the dynamic landing pages. From here you can change the dynamic setting of pages, and you can choose file, or you can upload your template from here. And this is the landing page setting. You can change any section that is on your website. For example, if I want to change the hero section, so you have to go to hero section, and here these are all the detailed headings, content. So you can simply change it. You can simply change these images, and you can save it, and your changings will be saved. And here is how you can similarly change all the sections that are on your home page and website. You can change all of them from here. So this is very easy to use and manage. From pages, you can manage all the pages of your website, FAQ. You can change your details, names, anything you want to change, you can change it. From footer content, you can change the content of footer section of website. These are email template, SMS template. From push notifications, you can manage the notifications. And here you can manage all the subscribers, support ticket, customers, custom CSS. So these are all the function of its admin panel. So if you want to buy this script, or if you need this complete website, you can contact us, and we will build this site for you, and we will do a best thing for you, and we will build the best thing for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.